Hi, my name's Harry. I'm the lead quantum product engineer at Q-CTRL. Today, I'll show you some documentation for our Boulder Opal product. You can find all our documentation at the docs.qcontrol.com website. The easiest place to get started with Boulder Opal is our page of user guides. User guides walk you through how to apply Boulder Opal to typical quantum control problems and show the syntax for using our different functions. For example, let's open up the optimization user guide. Each user guide shows how to set up the basic initialization and then has several different examples showing how to use the different aspects of the feature. Each example shows how to set up the relevant inputs to the computation, then how to call the function itself to perform the computation, and finally how to extract the data from the output and visualize that data. User guides are great for getting started, but sometimes you'll need more information. For that, you can use our reference documentation. The reference documentation shows full details of all the function inputs and outputs, including their types, default values, and conditions. Where appropriate, you can also click through to see information about nested inputs and outputs. In addition, the reference documentation shows the full mathematical details describing the computations performed by each function, and, where appropriate, includes references to papers where you can learn more. Finally, each section in the reference documentation links back to the user guides where you can see examples of the usage of that function. If you're working on a specific quantum control problem or working with specific hardware, you might also be interested in our application notes, which show how Boulder Opal is used to solve real-world problems. For example, let's look at the System Identification application note. This application note shows how you can use Boulder Opal to identify unknown parameters in your system by using measurements of the system. Each application note includes explanations, diagrams, and figures that explain how the procedures work. This presentation just scratches the surface of Boulder Opal's documentation. For a deeper dive, go to docs.qcontrol.com and have a look at the user guides, references, and application notes for yourself to see how Boulder Opal can be used to solve a variety of quantum control challenges. You can also view more demos, videos, and tutorials by the team at Q-CTRL by subscribing to our YouTube channel.